I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to create a logo. First, open Canva and search for logo to access thousands of templates. You can browse through various styles, from minimalist to intricate, finding one that perfectly suits your brand's vision. This initial step is crucial for setting the foundation of your design, offering a quick and efficient starting point for your creative journey. Now, let's personalize your chosen template. You can easily edit text, changing fonts and colors to reflect your brand's unique personality. Canva offers over 3,000 fonts and a vast color palette. Swap out graphics with new icons or illustrations from the library, ensuring every element aligns with your vision. This step allows for complete creative control, making your logo truly one of a kind. Take your logo to the next level with advanced editing. Adjust transparency for subtle effects or layer elements to create depth and dimension. You can add various shapes, lines, and frames to give your logo a polished look. If you have specific brand assets, like a unique icon or pattern, easily upload them to integrate into your design. This flexibility ensures your logo stands out. Once your logo is perfect, it's time to download it. Click the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download. You'll have several file format options, including PNG for transparent backgrounds or SVG for scalable vector graphics, ideal for various applications. Choose the highest resolution available to ensure crispness across all platforms. Your professional logo is now ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.